Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete Discord account permanently. First of all, you can open the Discord application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now tap on U icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on it, you can now go to the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, and after this you can now go to the accounts, and here you can just simply scroll down. You can see the option delete account. In the account management section, tap on delete account, and after this you can now tap on OK, and it is a way you can delete account on Discord. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.